Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, Just Drees. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get these faux locks that I have in my head right now. I'm not going to do too much talking. At the end of the video I will have all the details on what type of hair I use and all that good stuff. So if you want to see any of that, look down in the description box and I will have timestamps for you guys, for all of you that say I talk too much. I mean, you know. Let's just get straight into this. Video is sponsored by divatress.com. Thank you so much for working with your girl. Once again, I am so happy that you guys are collaborating with me. Like, I'm such a small YouTuber, but eventually I'll be big enough. had my locks in my head for about almost 4 weeks. So the only thing I did was go in and touch the perimeter of my head, which is the clip that I show you guys in this video. So if you watch that clip, this is just me telling you guys how long I've had my braids in. So yeah, I'm gonna turn around and show you guys how they look. So this is how they look. Okay, so I know a lot of you guys are going to be asking me like, what brand, how many packs, how long did it take, and blah blah blah. I'm going to tell you guys all about that right now. First of all, for the blonde hair, like the 613 that you see in my hair, I only put like 6 of them in my head or something like that. I didn't do too many of those because these were kind of like highlights. So I used this brand. It's the Boutique Reggae Braid hair in the color 613. So that's the brand that I use for the really bright blonde hair that you see throughout my head. Then for the, I only used 1 pack of that because I was only putting a few throughout my head. So I only used 1 pack of that. Key hair that I wrapped my braids with, I used this brand. This is the Janet Collection Afro Kinky Hair brand. You guys can see. It came like individual. I'm gonna show you guys like how it came. Like it didn't come, you know how usually when you get like the kinky hair that it comes like individual strands or whatever, and they're really long, and you know you can wrap. This brand is completely different, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. But I did use this, and I used 3 different colors. I used the number 2 to get like the dark hair color, the black or whatever. I used the color 30, and I used the color T27. The reason why I used so many different colors is because I was going for this kind of like, I'm not gonna say ombre, but I just wanted different type of browns and different, just a unique type of hairstyle, if you get what I'm saying. And then for the curly hair that you see throughout my head, I got 2 packs of 1B in the free twist braid, and like I said, it was the deep twist 22 inches, and then I used free twist 22 inch 27, and I only got 2 packs of that, and I used all of that as well. So I braided my hair with the free twist first. I did that on one day. And the reason why I did that is because I was working like crazy, but I did that. That took me about 2 hours to do. And then for the wrapping, it took me about 2 hours. I'm kind of fast with my hands now because I've been doing faux locks for so long. So that's all I did. I have a ton of faux lock tutorials. I know that's really popular on my channel besides like my acne videos. So if you guys want to see any of my previous videos, just check the description box. The links will be down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I love you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Peace.